1.4 megawatt motor with a performance goal of 16 kilowatts per kilogram and efficiency greater than 98%. The motor contains a self-cooled superconducting rotor, which has never been done before, allowing the motor to achieve exceptional specific power and efficiencies without inheriting external cooling weight penalty commonly attributed to superconducting machines. Integrated rotor superconductor, spinning at 6,800 RPM, 4 times higher than the state-of-the-art, and weighing only 80 kilograms. This motor revolutionizes the field of advanced motors and greatly increased number of aircraft concepts